Think your SAP environment is compliant? Most companies think so, until the audit notice lands in their inbox. Here's the truth. SAP audits aren't random. They're calculated, and when they happen, the financial impact can be brutal. Let's break it down. First, audit penalties. SAP calculates them at full list price, plus backdated maintenance, often 2 years or more. That can turn a small compliance gap into a multi-million euro surprise. Second, unbudgeted costs. A surprise audit can wreck your IT budget overnight. We've seen CFOs forced to pull funding from strategic projects just to settle license claims. Third, operational and legal risks. If SAP believes you're out of compliance and don't resolve it, they can suspend support or, in extreme cases, pursue legal action. Remember the Diageo case? That one changed how SAP enforces indirect access. And here's something few talk about: over-licensing risk. Buying too much is just as bad as being under-licensed. You're still losing money, just in silence. Here's a simple tip. Run your own internal audit before SAP does. Use SAP's LAW or USMM tools to check your usage. Fix the small issues now, before they become a public problem later. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises find and fix compliance gaps, reduce SAP audit risk, and negotiate fair settlements when issues arise. If you're unsure about your SAP licensing position, contact us before SAP contacts you.